Sree'S KG. So today we are going to discuss verbs. Okay? So what is a verb? Yes, a verb is used to say or assert something about a person or a thing. A verb is a action word. Okay? So once more, a verb is used to say or assert something about a person or a thing. A verb is a action word. Once more, last. Yes, a verb is used to say or assert something about a person or a thing. A verb is a action word. Yes, a verb is an action word. You know that. Okay, so look at this. Nana sings a song. Nana sings a song. It may be anything like twinkle twinkle little star. Okay, so Nana sings a song. Here, what is a verb? Yes, here sings is the verb. Okay, sings a song. So the sings is a being thing. Okay, so next, Nana is a nice girl. Nana is a nice girl like me. Okay, so here, what is the verb here? Yes, is the verb here. So is a being verb. Okay, so the third one, what is the third one? Yes, it is Nana has black eyes like me. Nana has black eyes. So here, what is the verb here? Yes, has. Has is a possessing verb. Okay, what is has? A possessing verb. Okay, so next is let us write these things. So the first one, what is the first one? Her singing made me happy. Her singing made me happy. So here, what is a verb here? We want to underline this verb here. So what is the verb? You can find that here, made is the verb. So let's underline the made. Okay? So the second one is Nandana has a new dress. I also have a new dress. So Nandana has a new dress. So here, what is the verb? Yes, here has is a verb. Okay, what is the verb here? Has. So let's underline the has. So next one is Lakshmi is scared of dinosaurs. I'm also scared. So Lakshmi is scared of dinosaurs. So here, what is the verb? What is the verb? Yes, so here the verb is Lakshmi is scared of dinosaurs. Scared of dinosaurs. So you should try this at your home. Okay? So I hope you all like my videos and do subscribe my channel and enable the bell button for further updates. So we want to see you in the next class. Bye bye.